I'm still here. I don't see you.
Slow down.
No, I'm not slowing down, bro.
Direct.
Oh, shoot!
Slow down.
Oh, phew. Okay.
Wait, slow down, bro.
Oh my gosh, I did a backflip, bro. Oh my gosh!
I'm near.
Slow down! Slow down!
I died.
So we are. Ah! I died. Okay, I have 1,802.
You can't buy anything with that.
It's so fat, bro. Like fatter than fat in your mouth.
Bro, get off my bike. What is happening? What is happening? Yo, how's my bike driving itself?
It's getting flinged. Okay, let's go. What's up, Evo? I still see you. You're slowly disappearing. I still see your orange butt. Hey, yo, you flinged that guy. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Manuel, what do you mean? I don't see you in front of me. I just did a backflip and I died.
we backflipped and died together.
248, what do you mean? What the hell? It's too fast. I literally just died.
Press V on your bike. When you're
Hey, yo! Slow down! Slow down! Okay, I'm back on the highway.
Go to a spawn.
Bet.
Bro.
Hey, yo! I just died! Oh, yeah, look. This is my grave on the highway. Coming on the highway! Woohoo! Hey, yo! For real this time, bro, for real. Your bike is so drippy, then drip. Come on, Evo, let's go! Hey, yo! My high score of the wheelie is 156 seconds. Now, somehow I still remember it. Yeah, but staying on the side of the highway. I get 4 gears per second. I'm gonna zoom out.
Direct. You're dead. I know it, you're dead.
Phew. Nah, I'm not dead, bro. I'm not dead. Okay.
Go on the entryway. Direct, go on.
Okay. Woo! Hey, yo! I am so fast, bro! Hey, yo! El Nacho! Big fat nacho in mouth.
What?
Hey, yo, how am I not slowing down?
You're dead.